La 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 la. I went to the mountains with my friends. They flew me out to make a beautiful blend. And now I wonder, could we be more than just friends? Cause when I saw your legs and I saw your lakes, I felt a call to the beautiful place. And now I've got just one damn thing to say. Hey Bozeman, you son of a bitch, how did you end up with a beauty like this? Middle Cambrian, flathead, sandstone's got something to do with it. Hey Bozeman, I like the cut of your stitch. I wanna be there in the seasonal shifts, but my kids are in school, so I may never see you again. Bozeman. I'm out here in Montana with the Pact team. I know some of you are just like, the beard is too much. Just try not to think about it. Try not to think about it. I don't think about it. That's how it got this way. Malcolm, the founder of Pact, reached out to me the moment he saw my review of his Pact 1 duffel bag, because he knew he wanted to work with me on the travel backpack that they were thinking of making. Some trips to New York and Vietnam, a lot of sketches, and a lot of trying out different sorts of foams for the backpack straps and frames for the structure of the bag, etc. later. And the backpack has been out, and we've sold out several times. It's one of the best travel backpacks you can get for carry-on travel. And now they're doing their team sort of meeting for a little while, and they invited me to come join. And this is Malcolm's cabin. I don't know if you could see, there's like a pond down there. And this place was built by a DIY sort of artistic person, and all the decisions are so interesting. I've been all around the world, and there's still nothing like coffee in the morning at a wooded cabin.
My training pack. Getting ready for season?
Uh-huh.
Grab it.
What?
This is a training pack.
Oh, no! No!
So I try to hike the hill a couple times a week with this to
How many pounds is that?
It's about 60 now.
Cool, funky, minimalist, artsy cabin outside of Bozeman by about 25 minutes, which is an awesome thing to live outside of town, right? We'll talk to Malcolm about that in a minute. But first, I want to tell you about this Owala water bottle. You've seen me mention it on the channel. There's one feature about this in particular that makes it my favorite right now. It's got a button that opens up this lid like so, which you would be worried about that clipping open when you didn't want it to, which is why they built this little secure bit right here. I have not had this accidentally open on me except for one time. Why do I love this so much? The big reason is it's a 32-ounce water bottle that fits in a cup holder. Just gotta make sure that this little clip here is locked, okay? Okay, what's one thing you've learned? Just like, out of all the things you've learned so far being here for a handful of months, fixing stuff up, demolishing things, getting into wilderness again and being sort of off the reservation, what's like one thing you've learned?
Call the fire department before you burn shit. Lesson one. Winters are long up here.
Winters are long.
When we got 6 inches of snow in early June, I was like, holy shit, we're 2 weeks from the official start of summer, and there's still 6 inches of snow.
Yeah, snow in June.
Having property and projects can keep you busy.
Yeah.
It's so easy to come back and after work and start a project and work till 10 p.m. every single night on stuff, but it's fun.
Then we went to this couple's home studio right in the heart of Bozeman. It was super inspiring. They're called the Wookiees. They're legends in soft goods design. They make bags, backpacks, tents, etc. And they have an epic studio. Here's one thing I learned getting to hang with them for a bit. Design by making stuff. Don't rely completely on the computer. make with your hands and have the stuff that you need to make the stuff that you're designing yourself. Super inspiring hanging with them and being up in Bozeman in general. Bozeman, you son of a bitch. What a gorgeous place. I even got to shoot some bow and arrows with Malcolm. He's teaching me a little bit of the ropes, which was pretty fun. We shot next to each other for a little while, and so I guess you could say I'm a pretty serious bow and arrow guy now. Oh, and another thing, this dog, one of the team members at PACT has this dog who's blind. I have never been so affected by a pooch in my life. Hanging out with this blind dog was just, it changed my life. I think it literally changed my life. Go hang with the blind dog sometime. All right, Bozeman, you son of a bitch. You did it again, you son of a bitch. Or for the first time. Yeah, thanks. Shout out to Bozeman. Review coming up next on the backpack that I used. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.